What's going on, guys? Dustin right here for more of my life and what I'm going through so I can help you get to your next step. Listen, if you could please give me a like, please subscribe to my channel, and give me a notification click because I want you to know when I post a new video so you guys can get educated on what I know so I can help you. Now let's get into it. Today we are talking about assets versus liabilities. Okay, some of us don't know what these are, some of us just don't even care. So let's go into it. Okay, when you're young, you start making a little bit of money, and when you're older, you start paying attention to your money. What do we do with our money so that when we're 30, 40, 50 years old, we're not extremely broke, or we're where our financial goal is set to be? We have to focus on where our money's going. Okay, if you buy food and gas and all kinds of things when you get your paycheck and you don't have any money by the time your next paycheck comes, then there's obviously a problem there. You have to look at what your money is being invested in. Okay, now let's take a look at all the liabilities in the world that we love, because liabilities are our favorite thing as humans. I mean, just look at it, you know. So jewelry, I mean, these things are not going to get you rich. I mean, these were given to me by my father, but I enjoy jewelry. I love jewelry. I just cannot spend money on it at this point in time because I am not in the right position of my life to just go out and buy a $200,000 watch because that's exactly what I want. Okay? So jewelry is definitely a liability because it's not going to get you anywhere. Yes, jewelry has value. If you're a jewelry salesman of that sort, then yes, this would be an asset to you. But if not, it's just a liability. Designer clothes, guys, all the things that I love. But you cannot just buy these things just because you want them. You have to invest your money into something that makes money for you. The richest people in the world don't work for their money works for them. It says in every book. You guys are probably familiar with Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Look at what he did in the book. His friend bought the nice car, and he didn't. And he was able to get to a point where the friend in the book is just paying his expenses, paying his payments, and living the same life. He never got to that next level because he bought a liability. Guys, cars, a liability. Your buddy has a nice truck with the 42-inch tires on it with the exhaust kit and blowing black smoke down the driveway, and that's amazing, so you have to go do it too. But nor you or him are winning, okay? Because your guys' money is being put into liabilities. Okay? What I'm trying to get to you is you need to put your money in things that when you're out doing your job or out doing whatever, that your money is working for you. So if you invest in real estate, which is my goal, make money through real estate by selling homes, invest the money back into homes with rental properties, eventually into commercial apartment units. That's my goal. Because I want to one day be with my family all day, every day, not have an obligation in my life, but get extreme amounts of money monthly due to rental income or other areas. I mean, real estate is such a broad area to put your money in, but it's one of the best things in the world to invest in because it can't go anywhere. A hurricane can't even take real estate away. And if it does, that's why we have insurance. Guys, even stocks. I'm sure you've seen extreme stockbrokers. Okay, Wolf of Wall Street. A lot of that movie has some good things in it, you know, besides the unethical part. But you have to put your money into something that's going to grow and make you money. The only way to get to your financial goal is for you to be making money in different ways. You can't go to work every day, go home, do the same thing for 50 years, and get rich. It just doesn't work. There's just no proven plan for that. So you have to make your money, invest the money, and have the money you invest to work for you. Okay? Now, mutual funds are another one. It really doesn't matter. What I'm trying to get to you is you need to take the money that you make and save, right? You put your money in a shoebox over there, or you put it in the bank. You don't tell anybody about it. Your Christmas money. You need to save that money, and you need to invest it into something that can make you more money. And do that over and over, and then you will reach your financial success no matter what because you stuck to your code, which is not to buy liabilities, it's to buy assets. Now, no one says you can't buy these things. Let me make this very clear. No one says that you can never ever buy these things. The trick of the trade is to have the money that works for you, that you make profit on. That's what you can make to buy these things. The problem in life is we go to work every day, we make our good amount of money, whether it be $20, $30 an hour from whatever you do. You work hard all year, you feel you need to be rewarded. You buy the truck of your dreams, now you're truck poor. You have too many payments and bills, now we have a truck problem. Or you're a car guy, you buy the Mercedes AMG, it sounds great, you're in love, but you overextended yourself. Now, picture it this way. If you didn't buy the AMG, you invested all that money that you put into the AMG or the truck, and that money made you 20, 30 grand for the next 4 or 5 years of your life. And you could buy that AMG cash, or you could buy a better car cash. What seems more appealing? Of course, buying the better car. But the problem is it takes a lot of discipline, okay? So guys, buy more assets. Stop buying liabilities. Thanks.